Good morning! Good morning, good morning. Hindi na pala. 12:30 na. So, good afternoon na guys. Ano ba kakainin ko? Lunchtime na pala. Kakatapos ko lang mag-edit ng Q&A video yung part 1. And I'm just saving it right now. Right after saving that, I will upload it agad-agad. I still have one video that needs to be up. That's the vlog there. So, I'll upload the vlog and then sana mabilis lang yung yung Q&A. Mahaba yung Q&A ko, 2 parts yun. Yesterday was really productive. I'm so happy. I was able to film 3 sit-down videos and then I was able to clean the house. So today I thought I can relax. Kasi sabi ko, hala, gagawin ko lahat kahapon. Ginawa ko lahat kahapon. The laundry, pinalitan namin yung bedsheet, tinulungan ako na Dan, and nalinis namin yung bahay. And I was so happy. Pero ngayon, kailangan ko pa pala mag-edit. Kasi hindi ako nag-edit kagabi. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako when we went to bed. And sabi ko, I will sleep late kasi like, you know, day off ko. But hindi ko kinaya, besh. Natulog ako. Pero ngayon, yeah, so wala akong na-edit kahapon. Pero okay lang. It was a good day. At least, hindi ko naiisipin yung, oh gosh, meron pa pala. Yung kwarto ko pala, kailangan kong ayusin yung makeup, makeup storage ko. Yung makeup room ko, guys, ang gulo-gulo. I don't even wanna go there anymore kasi ang gulo. Tapos sabi pa ni Dan kahapon, magdi-date night daw kami ngayon. Movie date night, sabi niya. Gusto niya manood ng Annabelle. So, pa-horror yung bet niya. And he will be home before 4 daw. Okay, I need to get things done. I slept in today. Dan woke up at 7. Tapos sabi niya, huwag kang bumangon kasi I usually, like, bumabangon ako para i-prepare yung coffee niya and all that. Sabi niya, huwag kang bumangon kasi he only had 30 minutes left. So, he was in a hurry anyway. So, he just made his own coffee and then left. Yeah, so I slept in. I woke up at 9. So, manunod lang ko ng Laluna Sangre kasi ang ganda-ganda na, my gosh. Kakain ng lunch and then maligo and then ayusin natin yung makeup room ko. So, yan yung plano. Mabilis lang naman tong Laluna Sangre. Ano lang naman siya, 20 minutes. I thought at first hindi ko siya magugustuhan kasi sabi ko, ano ba to? Vampira. Di ako mahilig sa mga ganun. Pero ang ganda ng story niya. Bet ko siya. Tapos bet ko din yung 2 bida. So, okay, nood lang ako. Yung papanoorin ko is the Thursday episode, yung sa last night. Okay. Katapos ko lang maligo. Okay, guys. I'm ready to clean. I have less than an hour to clean this mess. This was when I filmed my makeup chika something video. And hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa siya naayos. Kasi, ang dami kong ginawa, guys. Hindi naman sa mupo lang ako dito, wala akong ginawa. Ang dami kong ginawa. But now, I'm gonna do this. Dan will be here in less than an hour. Oh no, actually, sabi niya mga before 4. And now, it's 2:15. So, let's clean. What I will do first is get rid of all the rubbish. So, I will go through all the, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see what happens. Hindi ko siya ma-organize lahat today, I think. I need to clean my brushes. Okay, let's do this. Bakit may jacket dito? And then merong coat dito. And then my hair tools. Okay, I'll sit down. I'll go through all the brushes. I will wash all of them. And yeah, you know what? That's what I'm going to do first. I will wash all the brushes. Saan ka galing? Sa blush ka galing. Wait, kakat ko muna yung mga tag para itapon ko sila. Tapon mo. Basura mo, itapon mo. Okay. Kaya natin to. Ang gulo. What is this one? Lalagyan to ng ito. Yep. Okay, ito naman is sa payong. Why are you even here? This. Okay, dito ko ilalagay ang mga Rubbish. Sige, sige, sige. Okay. Gulo, I don't even know where to start. Rubbish. Salamin. Wait, you know what? I will take all the brushes first and then wash them. Pero ano yung gagamitin ko bukas kapag winash ko sila lahat? Who cares? I'll wash all of them. It doesn't matter. Okay, wash natin lahat ng brushes. Lego. Kahit hindi naman madumi sila lahat, pero just to be safe, diba? Sige, gawin natin to. Pahiram sa'yo. Pahiram. Pahiram. Can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? That's not even dirty at all. I haven't used that one. Okay. That one. No, I haven't used that one either. That one is clean. Sabi ko, lilinisin ko lahat. Pero ang linis ng iba, besh. Glorious, glorious. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Kailan pa ako matatapos nito? Kung itong lahat ang lilinisin ko. Okay. Ay, gagamitin ko yung aking, yung pang-dry ng brushes. Saan na yun? Where are you now? Where are you now? Made you now. Where are you now? Where are you? Ay. Kapag naman talaga gagamitin mo na, bigla na lang nawawala. Kapag hindi mo kailangan, nandyan lang. Pag kailangan mo na, biglang naglalaho. Char. Okay, here we go. Nahanap ko siya, guys. Nandun lang pala siya sa isang box. I think I will use this. I'm not sure kung pang madamihan siya. This is the Brush Deep Cleanser. Ayun yung mag-focus. But one-shot brush deep cleanser. Pero ito din yung ginagamit ko. Yung facial wash from Eye White. And then shampoo. It's either that or that. So, we'll see. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging ganap. I finished it, guys. Ito na sila lahat. And ito yung ginagamit ko na panglinis ng mga yan ko. Tingnan nyo sila. Hindi ko na matanggal yung duming yan. This is yung maliit na soap na para sa beauty blender talaga. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko yan. Kaya sobrang tinitipid ko. Kaya lang hindi na siya nakakalinis ng maayos. Kasi yung shape niya nakakaloka na durog na. So yeah, I did use shampoo. Pero hindi na talaga matanggal. Pero, tapos na. Meron pang konti doon, pero malinis kasi sila. So, inayaan ko na lang dyan. Okay, guys. So, nandito na yung mga makeup ko. Hindi lahat nandito. Yung iba nasa drawer pa. Ililipat ko sila dito. Para nandito lahat ng makeup. Yung mga nandito, sa mga acrylic na to, ito yung dinidisplay ko on top of my vanity. So, ito yung mga something na ginagamit ko. Like, mas ginagamit ko kaysa sa iba. Yung iba na nilalagay ko sa drawer, hindi ko sila masyado ginagamit. So, yeah. Or, I don't know. So, meron akong ganito. Yeah. Nandito yung mascara. Ano na sila? Hindi na sila magkasya. Kasi maliit lang naman tong ano na to eh. Manipis lang siya. So, kailangan ko siya ilipat. Eh, hindi ko alam kung paano yung order. So, tingnan natin. I-compare ko lang muna yung... Okay, so ganito siya. Malaki siya actually. Feeling ko parang tatlo lang magkakasya na tong... not sure. Dito yung mga makeup palettes ko. Dito yung mga eyeshadow palette. And, siguro ilalagay ko sa first 3 drawers yung mga makeup. Like, you know, highlighters, powders. Kasi yun naman yung ginagamit ko talaga. Yung foundations ko, wala pa sila dito. Nandun pa sa drawer. Actually, yun yung uunahin ko. So, kunin ko lang. Ito, sobrang gusto ko to. Nabili ko to sa Reject Shop. Gusto ko siya kasi acrylic lang siya. And very simple niya tingnan. Okay, so face makeup yung sa dito sa taas. Daming buhok. Hindi pa ako tapos, guys. And nag-ano ko, lip liner. Meron ako nakita lip liner from Sephora. I was like, it looks good. So I put it on my lips. Parang brownish na ano siya. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. It is this one here, yung nano lip liner nila. Very cute na lip liner. This one is in the shade, if I can see it, where is deep brown. Ito yung shade niya. Well, nakita ko lang siya. I was organizing my makeup, diba? And nilagay ko siya dito yung lip liner, mga lip liners, tapos mga magagandang brushes na yung gamitin. Now, I'm not done yet. I'm so not done yet. I wanna move this, like, dito, pa dito. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa gilid. Like, kapag na-move ko na siya dito, ilalagay ko sa gilid yung, yun. Wait. Yun. Yung makeup storage na yan. And then, sa kabilang gilid is, yun. Yung, ano din siya, parang storage din siya, pero hindi covered. Nalagyan ko siya ng mga nail polish ko. So, parang merong storage each side. Yun yung gusto kong gawin. But, hindi ko siya mabuhat-buhat kasi ang bigat-bigat niya. So, hihintahin ko sa daan para magawa namin dalawa. What did he say?
Why don't you believe me?
Lalabas kami, guys. Punta kami sa pub. We will eat dinner. Papalitan ko lang yung socks ko kasi I'm wearing these socks. Yung fluffy socks. Papalitan ko lang siya ng short socks because I will be wearing yung boots na nabili ko sa Kmart. Napakita ko sa previous vlog ko. It's so cold outside. Yung plano sana namin mag-movie night. Kaya lang I'm working tomorrow. I don't wanna go home very late. So, yeah. Okay, let's go. I need my bag. I need my license. Dito kami pupunta sa Kensi Hotel. It looks really dark in here. Dito kami sa the Kensi. Yung order ko is ito, creamy chicken penne, roasted red peppers, baby spinach. How about you, babe? Do you know what you're getting?
Yeah, I'll go lamb shank.
Ooh, okay. He wants that. Alright.
I don't even love it.
We got lemon bitters as usual. Sedan din. Nakaharap kami sa bar talaga kasi wala na silang vacant na wala sila, reserved lahat, right?
Sorry?
It's all reserved, the tables. Ang tsaka ng lips ko, tingnan. My lips look, it's slippery.
Do it so it's not so close to the edge.
No, it's still slippery. Ayaw let's use this. Ayaw mag-stay ng tripod ko. There, no. That doesn't help. Let's try that one. What the? Okay, that's alright. Dito kami sa, what do they call this? Wine table or something. Kasi wala na silang vacant na table.
Just gonna feel my drinking.
Look at my forehead, babe. 5 head. You look good, babe.
Thank you. I do actually. Your beard looks good.
I really like this one. This is the one we got from H&M. Got our food. This one looks really good. I got the chicken penne and then Dan got the lamb. The lamb looks really good and it smells really good. I want some. Is that potato?
Have that.
I'll have that, okay. Punta kami sa Chinatown Market Plaza Food Court. You can't see it yet, but you will. Right there. Ano kami ng tart. Egg tart. Kasi yummers yun. Wala na yung egg. Wala na yung egg tart. So dito lang kami. Nakita siya ni Dan. What are you getting? Chocolate?
Custard.
Oh, custard? Me too. Can I get one? Just one for me. It is $2.
I'm gonna get lemon custard.
Okay. I'll just do the normal custard then. You can't really see, but ganito yung itsura niya. Malapit na maubos eh. It's good. Yummers. Baklava. Should we get 5? It's 5 for 6.
Yeah.
5 for $6. Let's get 5.
We'll see if we can do 2 of those or 3 of those or 3 of those and 2 of those.
Yeah, sige. He wants the almond
Oh,
one.
this is cashew.
Oh, are they all baklava? That's different. Do you want cashew?
I can
Try
go 2,
cashew.
1 and 2 and we'll share one of those.
Okay, sige. That looks good. Dito kami sa Kohl's, yung malapit sa market. Kasi gusto na Dan bumili ng cereal. Which one have you been eating? Is it the one with sultanas? That one? And then he wants to buy thin bread again. Yung kinain niya nung nag-ano siya, avocado and egg. So we will find that one in here. And then we will get the watermelon to market because
Some of
it's
the
fresh
sultana
and
brand.
it's good.
Look at that, same price as the big one.
Oh!
Bargain.
Look at this. Maliit, $5.
Double the size,
Malaki?
same price.
Is it double the size, really?
Oh.
Yeah. Because the big one is on sale.
Bargain.
Save $2.89. That's good. That's a good deal, but what did he say? He saw this and he was like, he's winning. 25% off. Do you want to get 2?
That one's enough.
Okay. Yun yung new favorite niya. Okay. We're home! Dumaan kami sa Kmart, guys, and I got a chair. Ito, oh. Parang wala ata yung picture dito kung ano siya. Ay, meron. Ito. Wait. Yan. Yan yung chair na binili ko. And then I'm just gonna buy a pillow, a colorful pillow that will go on there. But my room still looks really messy. I'm not done yet, but I moved this table here. And then the vanity, I moved it there. And yeah, ano ko din siya. Hinang ko siya. It's not gonna be there, like, hindi siya permanent dyan. Nilagay ko lang siya kasi merong dalawang ganyan screw. And life is too short to be anything but happy. Binigay sa akin yan ni Jen from Melbourne. Thank you. And yeah, thank you guys dito. And then yun na. Ay, ito pala. Bibigay ko to kay ano. Kanika. I went through my makeup kanina. Hindi ko pa na-go through lahat. Pero ito bibigay ko sa kanya. This is what I will give Kanika.
What's in it? Makeup?
Yeah, makeup. Then I got like a really cute cookie mirror there as well. I'll close my vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye. Good night. Mwah.